Hello learners, this is Excel with Habeeba. We have done history of education under perspectives in education. Today I am going to start with teacher empowerment with the subtopic need interventions for empowerment. Before understanding need interventions for empowerment, let's see first of all what is the meaning of teacher and empowerment. Now, teachers play a pivotal role in shaping the future by educating and nurturing the next generation. They not only impart knowledge but also serve as mentors, role models, and advocates for their students. A teacher's influence extends beyond the classroom, impacting students' personal growth, social development, and lifelong learning skills. So, what is an effective teacher? Effective teachers possess a combination of expertise in their subject matter, pedagogical knowledge, and the ability to create a supportive and inclusive learning environment. They adapt their teaching strategies to meet the diverse needs of their students, because all students are not of the same cadre, and also fostering curiosity, critical thinking, and a love for learning. That is very important. If love for learning is not there, the students won't be able to develop any skill. Furthermore, teachers often face numerous challenges, from managing classroom dynamics to addressing individual students' needs and navigating administrative tasks. Despite these challenges, dedicated teachers remain committed to their profession, obviously, continually seeking opportunities for professional growth and collaborating with colleagues to improve their practice. Ultimately, teachers are the heart of the education system, and their passion, dedication, and commitment to student success are essential for building a brighter future for all. Now, let's see what is empowerment. Empowerment is about giving individuals the tools, resources, and confidence they need to take control of their own lives and make positive changes. It involves enabling people to develop their skills, knowledge, and abilities so that they can overcome obstacles, achieve their goals, and contribute to their communities. Now, empowerment is not just about providing assistance. It's about fostering independence, autonomy, and self-reliance. In the context of teachers, empowerment means giving them the support, resources, and autonomy to excel in their profession. This includes providing professional development opportunities, access to instructional resources, opportunities for collaboration and leadership, and a supportive work environment. Empowered teachers are more likely to innovate in the classroom, engage in reflective practice, and advocate for their students and profession. So, empowerment is also about recognizing and valuing the expertise and contribution of teachers. It involves giving them a voice in decision-making processes, acknowledging their unique insights and experiences, and creating opportunities for them to take on leadership roles within their schools and communities. So, overall, empowerment is essential for fostering a culture of excellence, creativity, and continuous improvement in education. When teachers feel empowered, they are better able to meet the diverse needs of their students, adapt to changing circumstances, and making a positive impact on lives of those they teach, obviously. Now, let's see together teacher empowerment now. Teacher empowerment refers to the process of giving teachers the knowledge, skills, resources, and autonomy they need to make decisions and take actions that positively impact student learning and school culture. So, empowering teachers is essential in creating an environment where educators feel valued, motivated, and capable of fulfilling their roles effectively. It involves providing support, professional development, opportunities for collaboration and leadership within the school community. When teachers are empowered, they are more likely to innovate, engage in reflective practice and contribute to the continuous improvement of education. So, this empowerment ultimately leads to better outcomes for students and a more positive school climate overall. Now, let's see need for empowerment. The need for empowerment in the teaching profession is significant for several reasons. Now, let's see one by one. First one is enhanced teacher effectiveness. Now, what is it? Empowered teachers are better equipped to meet the diverse needs of their students, adapt to changing educational landscapes, and employ innovative teaching methods. This ultimately leads to improved student learning outcomes and academic achievement, which is the ultimate goal. Now, secondly, professional growth and satisfaction. Why we need this teacher empowerment? For professional growth and satisfaction. That means when teachers are empowered, they have opportunities for continuous professional development, autonomy in decision making, and recognition of their expertise. This fosters a sense of fulfillment, motivation, and commitment to their profession. Now, nextly, the third one is retention and recruitment. That means empowerment initiatives can help these. Under these, we can understand that these collaboration, retention and recruitment, empowerment initiatives can contribute to higher teacher retention rates by creating a supportive work environment where educators feel valued, respected, and engaged. Moreover, empowered teachers serve as positive role models and may attract new talent to the profession, obviously. The next one is positive school culture. Empowered teachers contribute to a positive school culture characterized by collaboration, shared leadership, and commitment to excellence. This environment not only benefits teachers but also creates a conducive learning environment for students and promotes overall school success. The next one is addressing educational inequalities. That is, empowerment interventions can help address educational inequalities by providing resources, support, and opportunities for professional growth to teachers in underserved communities. So, empowered teachers are better equipped to meet the diverse needs of their students and advocate for equitable educational opportunities. The next one is teacher leadership and advocacy. That means empowered teachers are more likely to take on leadership roles within their schools and communities, advocating for policies that promote educational excellence and equity. Their leadership can lead to positive changes at the local, regional, and even national levels. The next one is continuous improvement. That means empowerment fosters a culture of continuous improvement where teachers are encouraged to engage in reflective practices, positives, and thinking about the negatives and positive things, collaborate with colleagues, and seek out opportunities for growth. This ongoing learning and development benefit both teachers and their students. Overall, the need for empowerment in the teaching profession is paramount for creating a supportive, dynamic, and effective educational ecosystem that prioritizes the well-being and success of both teachers and students. So, that's why there is an urgent need for the empowerment of the teachers. Now, let's see interventions for empowerment here. Certainly, empowerment interventions for teachers can take various forms aiming to provide support, resources, and opportunities for growth and autonomy. Here are some key areas and corresponding interventions. Number one, professional development, a very, very important one. Offering ongoing training and workshops to enhance teaching skills, incorporate new methodologies, and stay updated with the latest educational research and technologies. For that, it is the intervention for empowerment. Then mentorship programs. Pair experienced teachers with newer colleagues to provide guidance, support and advice, fostering a sense of community and professional growth. Then coming, the third one is autonomy in decision making. That means provide teachers with flexibility in designing curriculum, lesson plans and assessments, allowing them to tailor their teaching to meet the needs of their students and explore innovative approaches. Next one is collaborative learning communities. That means facilitate opportunities for teachers to collaborate with peers, share best practices, brainstorm solutions to common challenges and engage in professional guidance. Next one is leadership opportunities. That means encourage teachers to take on leadership roles within the school community, such as department heads, curriculum coordinators or mentors, empowering them to contribute to school-wide initiatives and decision-making processes. Now next one is feedback and evaluation. That means establish a culture of constructive feedback and reflection where teachers receive regular feedback on their teaching performance and have opportunities for self-assessment and professional growth. Then the next one is resource allocation. That means ensure equitable access to resources such as teaching materials, technology and support staff to enable teachers to effectively meet the needs of all students. Now the nextly, advocacy and recognition. That means advocate for teachers' professional needs and recognize their contribution to the school community through awards, acknowledgements and opportunities for career advancement. Now the next one is wellness support. That means provide resources and initiatives to support teachers' physical and mental well-being, such as wellness programs, counseling services and flexible work arrangements. Now the lastly, community engagement. That means encourage partnerships with parents, community organizations and other stakeholders to create a supportive network that reinforces the importance of education and values the role of teachers. So, by implementing these interventions, schools can empower teachers to excel in their profession, foster a culture of collaboration and continuous improvement, and ultimately enhance student learning outcomes. So, this is all about the need and interventions for teacher empowerment. Now, I will come with the next topic in the next class. If you like the class, please do like, share, subscribe and comment below. Thanks for your attention and time. Happy learning.